If you own a MacBook and still clicks everywhere with your mouse, you are wasting hours of your life, literally. In this video, I'm going to show you 50 insanely useful Mac keyboard shortcuts that will instantly make you faster, smoother, and honestly, look like a pro. So this video is super fast paced, so feel free to pause and practice at your own pace. Let's go.
Basics you should already know. 1. Command-C, copy. Number 2. Command-V, paste. 3. Command-X, cut. 4. Command-Z, undo. 5. Command-Shift-Z, redo. 6. Command-A, select all. 7. Command-S, save. 8. Command-P, print. 9. Command-Q, quit app. 10. Command-W, close current window. Navigation shortcuts. 11. Command-Tab, switch between apps. 12. Command-Shift-G, go to folder in Finder. 13. Command-H, hide current app. 14. Command-M, minimize window. 15. F3, mission control, view all open windows. 16. Command-Space, open spotlight search. 17. Control-Command-F, full screen toggle. 18. Command-Option-Escape, force quit menu. 19. Command-Option-H, hide other apps. 20. Command-Shift-5, screenshot and screen recording menu.
Hey, if this video is helping already, please like and subscribe to this channel and maybe share this with somebody who is doing this the hard way.
Finder shortcuts. 21. Command-N, new Finder window. 22. Command-Shift-N, new folder. 23. Command-Delete, move file to trash. 24. Command-Shift-Delete, empty trash. 25. Command-I, get info on a file. 26. Command-D, duplicate file. 27. Command-Up arrow, go up one folder. 28. Command-Down arrow, open folder. 29. Command-T, open new Finder tab. 30. Command-Option-W, close all Finder windows. Browser shortcuts, Safari or Chrome. 31. Command-T, new tab. 32. Command-Shift-T, reopen last closed tab. 33. Command-L, jump to address bar. 34. Command-R, reload page. 35. Command-Control spacebar, open emoji picker. 36. Command-Click, open link in new tab. 37. Command-Option-I, open developer tools. 38. Command-F, find on page. 39. Command-1 to 9, jump to specific tab. 40. Control-Tab, next tab. Text and typing shortcuts. 41. Option plus left-right arrow, jump word by word. 42. Command plus left-right arrow, jump to line start end. 43. Command plus up-down arrow, top bottom of document. 44. Shift plus arrow keys, highlight text. 45. Option plus shift plus arrow, highlight word by word. 46. Command plus shift plus V, paste without formatting. 47. Command plus K, insert hyperlink in email or text editors. 48. Command plus Qualendark, check spelling in Pages or Word. 49. Command-Delete, delete entire line of text in some apps. 50. Command-Shift-N, clear all formatting.
So that's it. 50 Mac shortcuts that will save you hours and make you feel like a keyboard ninja. Let me know down in the comments which shortcut blew your mind and which one you think I should have added. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've not done that already, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.